Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool project I made using HTML and CSS. It's a simple clone of Google's search pages. Let me show you how it works. First, let's go to the home page, where you can see a familiar Google logo and a search bar. You can type in any query you want and click on the search bar button to see the result. For example, let's search for cats. As you can see, this shows me a list of web pages related to cats, just like the real Google. You can click on any of those links to go to that page. What if I want to see some images of cats instead? Well, that's easy. I just have to click on the image search link in the upper right corner of the page, and it will take me to another page where I can search for images. For example, let me search for cats again. As you can see, this shows me a grid of images related to cats. Just like real Google, you can click on any of those images to see them in full size. Let's assume you want to refine your search and be more specific. Well, that isn't too difficult either. You just have to click on this advanced search link in the upper right corner of the page, and it will take you to another page where you can enter some more details about what you're looking for. For example, let me search for pages that have all these words: cats, cute, and fluffy. This exact word or phrase, kitten videos, any of those words, adorable or sweet, and none of those words, dogs or puppies. As you can see, this shows me a list of web pages that match my criteria. But what if I'm feeling lucky? Maybe I don't want to see a list of results and I just want to go to the first result directly. Well, I just have to click on this I'm feeling lucky button on the home page, and it will automatically take me to the first result of my query. For example, let me search for cats again and click on the button. You will probably encounter a redirect notice from Google, but no worries. Just click on the link of the page you were trying to access. And as you can see, it took me to the cat's Wikipedia page. How lucky is that? So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.